Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we teach you how to make the watermelon bourbon smash. First, add 3 lemon wedges and 3 watermelon cubes to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Next, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Next, add approximately 4 mint leaves. Now shake until well chilled. Now fill your rocks glass with ice and pour through a mesh strainer. Finally garnish with a lemon wheel, a watermelon wedge, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the watermelon bourbon smash. Cheers.